Hello friend, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. Many people has complained that Microsoft Edge is using too much RAM and slowing down their PC. And this is right. If you open your task manager, there you can see Microsoft is using too much RAM and make your PC slow. In this video, I will show you the simple fix to reduce memory usage and improve the performance. So let's go into the video. Method 1. First, you have to open your Edge browser. Then on the top right side, you have to click on three dots. Then you have to click on settings. Then from the left side, you have to click on settings and performance. Then you have to click on startup boost. Now you have to toggle off startup boost, and then you have to toggle off continue running background extensions and apps when the Edge is closed. This also need to toggle off. Once you are done this, close the stuff, and now if you just open the task manager again, you can never see the Edge is running background. This is enough for the most users. Okay then, many people try to remove or uninstall the Microsoft Edge from their PC. So what they are doing, they are going to settings, then going to apps, and then install apps. In search box, type edge Edge and click on keyboard. Then they find the uninstall option is dim. Now I will show you how you can uninstall Microsoft Edge from your computer very easily. For this you have to go to the Google Chrome and need to search Microsoft Store and hit enter. Then you have to go Microsoft Store official page, click on the apps.microsoft.com. In the top search bar, you have to type Wintoys and hit enter. Here is Wintoys and click on it. Then you have to download it. Then you have to install the Wintoys exe file. So I'm going to click on Wintoys installer.exe. Now it is installing. Now I'm going to click on open. After that, you have to click on the settings icon. Then you have to click on system. Click on system. From the chart, you have to toggle on Digital Markets Act. I'm going to toggle on that. After doing this, you have to make restart your PC. After restarting, you have to go again settings, right click on Windows and then go to settings, then apps, then click on install apps. In the search box, type Edge. Then you have to click on uninstall. Now it will uninstall. A confirmation message will pop up. You have to click on yes. And finally, you have to you have to click on uninstall and and see the Edge is vanished. It's already uninstalled. If you want to again install Microsoft Edge, you have to go to Microsoft Store again. So I'm going open a new tab in Chrome and I'm going to Microsoft Store. In search bars, you have to type Microsoft Edge or only Edge. Press enter. Then click on here and click on download. Now you are watching, it is already downloaded. So click on the exe file. Here you can see that Microsoft Edge is installing. It will take some time, so keep patient. As you can see, Edge is already installed in my PC. So friend, by following these fixes, you can reduce Microsoft Edge RAM usage and enjoy a fast, smoother browsing experience. You can try this on your PC and share with me your experience. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, Techie Dialogue. That's all for today, friends. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.